Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can make AI powered presentation in Canva. So first of all, what you're gonna do is you're basically gonna come onto this link, which is canva.com/create/AI presentations. Once you're done, what you're gonna do is you're gonna use 5 words to describe your design. So let's use anything over here and then click on generate design. Now as you can see, it's gonna make a presentation for me using AI just by using the few words that I gave it as a prompt. Now let's wait for it to load. It's gonna take some time since it's a new technology and they're still working on it, but once it's done you will be able to see that they have made a really good design using the prompt that I gave it. Let's see, as you can see, it made a budget overview design for financial success, which was the prompt, and as you can see, it's pretty good. All the images are right, they connect with the context of the presentation, and the color scheming is great too. That's how you can make AI based presentations on Canva. If this video helped you guys out, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel as it really helps us out. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.